phone because I feel like when I have to go places, it's a lot easier in this COVID day and age to do things on my phone. Especially since I have a microphone on my camera now, so it's a little bit harder to vlog on it. So yeah, right now I just finished my makeup other than my lips because I'm gonna eat, so I'm not gonna put my lip on first. And I was just planning my videos. I have a lot of videos planned for right now. I'm actually debating, I wrote out the dates tentatively for all of them, and I'm kind of debating if I want to end up doing like 3 videos a week instead of 2, or like 2 videos normally, and if I feel good doing 3, because I have a lot that I feel are a little time sensitive, but we'll see. Casey's here. My room is a mess, so I'm gonna need to clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, so maybe I'll be able to take you in there. We'll see. Today I'm wearing the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette on my eyes. Wanted to have a little green because Dallas Stars up in here. Either they get eliminated tonight, and at least they made it to 6 games, or we win and push for Game 7, but I'm hoping we push for Game 7 because I would really want the Dallas Stars to win the Stanley Cup. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little brief preview of the videos I have planned for the upcoming month. Well, to be honest, I don't know, this video is planned to go up like close to the end, so you'll probably have already seen this stuff. So this is what I'm doing today, obviously, vlogging starting today. It is the 28th. I want to get my September faves and fails up because I have a lot of fails this month that I want to share with you. I'm going to do a fall palettes video. I'm doing episodes on the boys. I'm going to switch these to do the video on Friday since I found out last week that the episodes have been dropping on Thursdays. They've been dropping early, so I can wake up on Friday, film the videos, and get them up as soon as possible. Then I want to do a Halloween watch list. This video I'm feeling a little like maybe it's a little late, like 10:13. I feel like that's coming up kind of late. I'm not sure. And then I do want to continue my Disney vocal series. I want to make it a series. I just haven't filmed any videos of me singing that weren't for auditions. Also, look at my very cute fly ribbon. But yeah, so that's kind of what I have planned. We'll see when you are watching this video if things are different. Okay, that's stuck there. And Casey's just hanging out here. You gonna say hi? Say hi. Yeah? Say again. Can hear you. Oh, there you go. See, she says hi. She's been very, very, very weird and kind of bad this morning, so we'll see. She tried to bite me. Don't mind my bed, it's an actual mess. So these clothes are clean. Oh, close and personal. Oh, try to whack it out of my hand. Yeah, is that how you really feel? What are you doing? She's ready to go. Where are we going, Casey? Happy first day of October. Casey! She walks in here with this tennis ball in her mouth and then she plops it down and starts playing with it. This is not yours. Casey. Oh my god. Roommate's a tennis instructor, by the way. That is where she got the tennis ball from. She just walked in there and grabbed herself a tennis ball. Time to play. You're out of your mind. Hey guys, so it's the second day of October. Woke up very early. Maybe not early for you, you know. I don't know how early I'll wake up. I woke up at 7:30 when typically I usually wake up at like 10. Got all this done before 9 a.m. And usually, sorry, Casey's like purring from the other room. Oh, there she is. Usually you get up early. People say like the earlier you get up, the more productive you'll be. But like, that's true for me if I'm getting up at like 9 a.m. If I'm getting up at 7:30, I am not going to be productive because I am just like, okay, stop attacking me. Yo! Hold on, there's a maniac on the loose. Casey, what is your problem? Okay, what I was saying, and she looks cute. I don't know, she does this. She wants to play with me. I've been playing with her most of the morning when I wasn't on a meeting. But the thing is like, what am I saying? It's not like I feel bored. I just feel so tired. I had coffee. I'm drinking a smoothie right now. I know I'm laying down, so that's going to make my energy level low, theoretically, but I had been sitting up and standing and walking around, so it's not helping. I'm just very tired. She's going after my feet. What the heck? Stop. I'm gonna try to film a video. I'm trying to get enough energy to do it. My back kind of hurts. I kind of feel like achy. I don't feel particularly great, so I try to film a video. Because it's like early, I don't know what to eat. I don't have any breakfast food. I typically don't have breakfast. Can you stop getting my foot? It's not a toy. I typically don't eat breakfast because I take medication. So I wake up at 10, then I take medication, then I have to wait an hour to eat. That's 11 a.m. And then I usually have my coffee and do my makeup, and by the time it's like noon, so my first meal is typically lunch. So I have nothing to eat for breakfast. Like I have some fruit bars and I'm drinking a smoothie. But like, I don't know what to do myself. I'm just like, don't have any preparation for it. Also, I'm filming on my phone and I'm not used to my finger being in the camera. Anyway, this is like really not interesting content, except for maybe Casey attacking me in the middle of speaking, but I'm trying to film my video, then I'm going to try to edit it and schedule it to upload, eat, and then I'm going to have to take a nap today, because there is no way I will be able to get through the day like this, so maybe take a nap. Then I'll let you know if I do anything else productive today on this Friday. I don't know why she's trying to attack. No, now she's going for the... Oh, shit. That was a bad idea. Alright, see you. I haven't been here
in about a week because I have not felt good for the past few days, but good news, I don't have a temperature. It's 97.6. That's my temperature always is, even though I have a headache. That's fine. I'm just gonna keep retaking it though because I felt like I definitely had a fever 2 days ago, so hoping that I don't. And if I feel particularly bad tomorrow, I'm going to get retested for COVID, which would be amazing because I am always wearing a mask and I only go out to go to the doctor. So that would mean that on my transit journey, I got sick. So I'm hoping it's just an ear and sinus infection. We'll see. You will come along now. This vlog will be a odds recovery journey and see how I treat it. I tried to get, there are these great things called Vive Organics Wellness Rescues. They used to have them at CVS. They currently do not. Doesn't even look like there was a space for them. So I don't know if people just stocked up on them because they're like very popular item to get at like Whole Foods, and they really work. If not, I'm going to literally just make it myself, which is what I'm going to do, and it's going to be a very nasty, tiny little drink composed of ginger, cayenne, oregano, turmeric, that sort of stuff, and I've been taking a bunch of vitamins and ibuprofen, so we'll see if I can combat that. I'm also going to be filming my boys finale video today whenever it drops, so at least I can feel fine enough to do that. I'm feeling a little bit hot despite the fact that I have no temperature, so I'm going to switch back into shorts because it's cold outside. Or cold, it's not really cold, it's like the 60s, so I put pants on to go outside, and I'm gonna put shorts back on in the apartment. Nothing super exciting has been going on, so you didn't miss much, but I really want to vlog more, so yeah. Oh, I did get something cute I can show you real quick though. So I got these cute little gift bags for Halloween. They came in a 2-pack for Kyle and Olivia. So I have this one for her, this one for Kyle, and they're just so cute. I also got some like treat boxes, which I thought were cute. I have a 2 bills to open, and then a pack of nonsense. Yeah, so there's my fall palettes. If you watch my fall palettes video, got a bit to do today, so we'll see what I can do as I'm still kind of in recovery. In the middle of filming my video for the boys, and this is what she does to me. She opens my door. I'm gonna try to shut it so that there's not a lot of noise. I will play with you in 20 minutes when I finish this video. Thank you. We've got a robot vacuum, so I'll show you some details on it. Casey is involved and it's not even moving yet. She's gonna lose her mind. So I bought this one. It's called Yeedi, and there was a $50 off coupon. So this one was before tax about $100, and then I ended up going with the warranty, which is another like 20 bucks, just because like I'd rather it not break, and if it does I would be able to keep it for a long time because it's an expensive purchase, so it makes sense. So everything in taxes, it was about $130. So yeah, definitely recommend this because I was actually gonna get like the Roomba, which is the original one, because it is on sale Prime Day, but this was a better deal and it had good reviews and stuff like that, so I guess it's just probably not under warranty anymore, or under patent anymore. So yeah, it came in all these little boxes, comes with all this stuff. This is to clean it itself. Shows on there. And here, show you. It came with this little remote here, so you'll get it to drive around. I don't think the Roomba comes with the remote. I think it just automatically senses it, but you know, I don't super know how this works, but I'm excited because I don't want to sweep anymore, and I'll keep you posted. What do you think? Yeah?
to think, no, because it vacuums around it, right? Around stuff.
Yeah. It has different settings on it. I have to look at. He was horrified.
Her hind legs.
What's it doing? Casey's corner. She's got her scratcher and her food and her treats, and I finally found a space for the sign. What do you think, Casey? No thoughts? She's like, I usually lay here when I'm under the bed or under the couch, but now there's no couch here.
Aw, poor thing. We didn't think about her when we decided to do that.
Is my cat possessed? Casey, what are you doing? Casey, oh my god. What is going on? You okay? Are you good? Yeah? What? Yeah. Okay, what is that? Why do you keep doing that? Okay.
So she's only